To show you how to cut the money plant and plant it in any water or even in the soil. We can grow them, but today I am going to show you how to grow them in water. So this is the money plant. Here I have a lot of varieties also of money plants. I'll show you how to cut them and what are the ways we can grow them nicely. So this is the stem I'm just showing, and you can see the roots over here. So here also we can see small roots over here. So we need to cut it from the center. So we should have this root, so that the root will grow into bigger, and it will give the strength to the plant, and it will absorb the water. So if we are taking this stem, I'll cut it from here. I'll just show you how to cut it. So if you take this stem, you need to cut it from the center, so that the root should be there. I hope you can see it clearly. The root should be there, and we'll show you how to plant them also. One more we'll cut. We'll cut a fresh one. You can see it here, it's a very big one. So we'll cut it also from here. We'll cut it from here. We should not cut it here or here, because these are the nodes and roots. So we should cut it from the center. So I have taken it out. Yeah, so I have cut out these pieces. See, this is the root. You can see the root, and some small roots are also growing here. So we should not cut at this place. We should cut at the center of this, like that. Also I have cut this one, and one more I have taken. Though this root is not so big, it doesn't matter. If it is like this small also, it will do. And one more I have taken. So now I will show you how to place them in water. So what I will do, I have taken one bottle. I just change my camera's position so that you can see it. I hope it is visible to everyone. So I have taken a bottle of water, and I'll just pour it into this bottle. Just take some water and pour it into the bottles. Fill it. I filled it completely. So we filled it. Now this bottle also I will fill. It's having some water already. So here I have taken some bottles made by me also. I'll just show you in next videos how to make these bottles also. I made it with normal plastic water bottles only. So small used water bottles, I have made it like this. So I'm just pouring some water into this also. it's quite big enough. It's getting a lot of water. So this is already having some water, so no need of filling them. So these are the two methods what I am going to show you how to grow them. One more variety also I will show you how to plant the money plants. So now what you do, taking this, be sure that this root tip, this small root outgrowth is there. So this should be inside the water. And don't think that if this stem is inside the water it will do. No, we need to dip this one into the water. So what I am going to do is, I hope everyone can see it very clearly, and I am just putting this into the water. We can put it a little more also, and one into the other bottle. And here what I am going to do, when I dip it, it will not dip into the water properly. So what I will do, I'll remove this leaf slowly. I'll just cut out this leaf, and I made it like this. So I'll push it into the water. I'll push it into the water, and in the same way this one also I will put into the water. Here I have taken one more bottle. So I am going to dip this into the, you can see the root. I have dipped it into the water. One more branch into the water. One more also. So this is the way I put, and I leave it for some time. I decorate my house with this type of plants also, and you will not believe they will not dry for if you are changing the water frequently, they won't dry also. So let me show you how it looks. It's so beautiful. This is the other bottle what we kept now. It should be inserted properly so that the root should get the water. I'll show you some other bottles which already I have used earlier. So see, they have developed some roots just 1 week before I kept. So here one more tip I want to share with you. This is the root where this is spoiled, so be careful. If it is like this, it will spoil the whole plant. So please remove this, and then again you can put it, change the water. I'll just take out this water and I will pour fresh water again. I'll put some fresh water again, and I'll pour them to the bottle, and I'll keep this again. So nothing happens to it if you keep it like this inside the shade also. And this is one more plant now I prepared, and this is from last 3 weeks it is inside, and there is some root growth also. You can see nice root growth is there. The way I cut the branches just now, and I kept the same way I did this also. And now I am going to show you something else, how can we grow in another way also. This is a bottle. You can see it is so green, and everything is, the leaves are so good. Actually I put it in a bottle. I have taken a bottle, some jam bottle. So what I did, I just cleaned it and I poured some water into this, and I cut these branches and I tied them. So whenever the leaves are spoiled or if they become yellow, we need to remove them, or else it will give extra burden to the plant to grow. So I just remove the leaves, and just see, this plant is so nice. So instead of keeping inside a bowl, I just keep it in a glass bowl and I decorate it in my house. I keep it like this, and I decorate it with some pebbles. So it looks very interesting while we decorate it on the center table or in a corner table. You can see how I decorated it. So many roots inside. I hope you enjoyed my video and you liked it. So if you really like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share also. It will help me to do more videos. This is my small garden. Thank you. See you in another video.